is Sisters 2016 GSoC PC Hub demo, and our student Isabella. She'll introduce herself as well as start with her demo. Go ahead, Isabella.
Okay. Well, I work on Peace Corps Hub. Um, is a web application to be the center of the applications created with Peace Corps and Sisters. I worked as developer, Daisy as testers, and Rose and May are my mentors. Initially, I created this mind map to validate the application goals. So after we improved the requirements, writing user stories here, showing the feature, the actor, and the business value for each functionality. I created a style guide too with the design guidelines for Peace Corps with colors, typography, icons, logo, and background patterns. I created a prototype too with Pingendo tool that use Bootstrap, and to code I use Ruby Rails, Ruby Rails, the framework, SQLite from database, Bootstrap to the view, and code climate to analyze code quality here. And let's see the application. Okay, as a user logged out, what can I do? Just I created some applications, to example. So what can I see as user logged out is the applications description. What is new? No notifications. Links to GitHub repository, like here. Slack. I can search for applications too. This filter is a bug that I have to fix. I worked on it, but I not fix it now. But I will fix it. I can see the forum, but I cannot post on it. Just see the posts. Okay. Now I'm logged in as a super admin. So now I can add new applications. I can search for users too, edit and delete them. I can invite new user and inform. I can post. I can approve or block posts and users. I can see profiles here. So I will add an application here. Let me just copy the description. description here. I can add a name, long description. Uh, it will be shown here. Short description here, and a website link for web applications. For mobile applications will be an Apple Store link or Play Store link, repository link, image to be shown on the application page, like here, a big image, and a short image to be shown here. I just used the same image because it's an example, but it can be different images. So let me take a look here and select some images. Okay. Okay, when I save, we'll generate a page for the application with the description, long description. If I am an admin or super admin, I can edit and delete this application, like here, edit. I can add notifications about this application with a title and content. Here. And on the home page slider, this application will be shown too, like here. So if I don't put a link to the website, this message will be shown, developing. If I put a link, will be a link to the web page. The same thing is for the mobile application, but the form is a little bit different because we select the operating system, and here you can put the app link for the Play Store or Apple Store, and if we have 4 applications, we'll not have a slider because don't need it. 4 applications can be shown here. If we have more than 4, 5, and more, it will be rendered in a slider. Okay, so I will show the user invitations. I can invite a user, so I put her name, yeah, city, and the whole. I will put here administrator. So I sent an invitation email has been sent to this email. So I'll check my email. And here I got the invitation. Let me show here. I accept it. So I can set my password. Confirm my email. Oh gosh. Okay, now I'm signing it. I accept the invitation. I invite as admin so I can do admin things like add new application and edit them, delete them. Okay. Now I will sign up as a volunteer. Volunteers and staffs can only search for users and applications. They can see the applications page in the notifications, and they can create topic forums. They can add posts on a topic. Oh gosh. Oh, this is a bug. Sorry. The forum is the last function that I made. So Daisy is the tester, and there's no test for this yet. So
That's okay. It's
when
good.
the
That's okay. You can keep
okay
going.
when she tests here, we will solve all bugs. Here I can see uh, current online people, and I can send private messages to someone. I can select know who is online. Just me, just me. I'm online, so I will not find no one to send. But you can select someone and send a private message. I can see the user profile, and this is the mobile version. I can see the app's resume summary. I can use the form too. Here's the news. As I post, I create a new topic. I can see the user profile, search for user and apps, add new application, invite new users, invite new users, and that's all. Any questions? Do you want to see something else?
Isabella, this is a wonderful job. This is amazing, more than what I expected. And I'll let May, do you want to ask for questions first, or?
I'll let you ask first questions.
So, what made you choose Ruby on Rails as your framework? Was that something you were used to, or was there some strategy behind that?
Okay, so this is my first web application with a considerable backend. I working with Android development. So my college friends working on Rubber Rails, and they told me that is a framework in a language easy and with a lot of users. So as it's in my first web application, I prefer to use it because I think that I will learn it faster, and I can use these results to in the application, like the forum that I use and some gens for authentication, like device and etc.
Yeah, Ruby on Rails is very popular. And Ruby itself, what did you have to learn Rails along with Ruby, or did you have to learn Ruby first, or all both of them all together?
I started a Ruby course on the community. I forgot the word. On the first months. So, but I don't finish it because I have I need to start.
Yeah,
I
it's
needed
okay.
to start. So I start this course, and after I start to learn the Rails and Ruby together, working on code.
hmm What about your design? Your design is amazing. So how is that something that you're going to school with? Where did the design work come in? Or did you just look at others and other website and kind of mimic that? How did you approach your design work?
Okay. Well, I in the college I study human computer interaction, so we learn a lot of things about it. I use it Bootstrap framework too that helped me a lot. So the prototype helped me a lot too. The Pindindo tool provides some resources like these columns with this test and images and these things. So yeah, I use that resources and I search a little to inspire me in other applications that use this resource too.
That's excellent. It's
That's
a really
all.
nice and clean design. May, I'll let you ask a couple of questions too.
Okay, thank you. Um, so yeah, I do have to agree with her. I love the design and I like this makes me want to understand more about Peace Corps applications and like get more information about it. And I'm sure a lot of my friends would love to come and like be a part of it as well. It's great that it's all put together. I had a question. So did you find any challenges in creating a forum?
Reading what?
The forum?
Oh, yeah, cause I use it that Jen threaded, and she's is a very new Jen, so I don't find information on the internet about this Jen. So I don't like the the design because I think that not match with the the Peace Corps hub design. So my wish is use it other gen foreign, but this foreign gen don't work on Rails. This version of Rails that I use, so I needed to use this foreign gen. So it, how she it oh gosh how it new gen I have some problems to find out how to setting up, how to edit the view and the settings
Hmm.
because
Okay.
it's a new gen.
Okay, thank you. And then I have a question. Were you able to integrate GitHub? Um, I know this was this was something that we wanted to do, but I wasn't sure if you were able to do it or if you had any issues or if you found out more
On the
information.
login, on the signing side.
Yeah, to be able to sign in with your GitHub account and have all that information.
Yeah, I just don't do this because we need to create an organization and application on GitHub, and I don't know if I have permission to do this. So I can I the OAuth Gen solve these things like we can do with Facebook, Twitter, GitHub.
Okay, thank you. That's all I have.
So let me tack onto that. So when you are integrating GitHub, because we have the Sisters organization, you have to have credentials to do that, or because we can help you with that. May can probably help you with that if that's the case. Is that the approach for the integration for GitHub?
Um, is this because when you sign up, you have to ask for the person to access the information, right?
Mm-hmm.
So we need to create a let me show you.
Like a user specific for the application, and then give that user.
Yeah, yeah,
Uh,
like like an GitHub app to ask the person
okay.
if we can access.
Okay, I see. I see. Yes, we can help her. If we can do that, that would be good if we can create that. So we can certainly help you with that. Um,
Okay.
May, did you have anything else?
No, not for me. This was amazing. I've seen it before, and there's been so much progress in between, and
I
it's
know.
awesome.
I know, it's so awesome. It's more than what I expected, and you've done an amazing job. I love the design because, keeping it simple where people can read it and
Mhm.
you know, that's so important. How did you work with Daisy? Daisy was the one who was doing the automated testing, right?
Okay. We talk a little. So I created things and pushed it to the repository, and she tested it and created issues to with the problems. So I solved it
That's good.
this way.
Yeah, you did an excellent job, Isabella. This is amazing, and I'm sure that the Peace Corps will also appreciate this. And I think the next step is to really, we have a test server that we can post this on Sisters, so we can get you in touch with Julia to get at least this code up. And I guess we need to review all the code and then merge it into the master, and then we'll go from there. Okay?
Okay.
Congratulations. This was a
Thank
really great job.
thank you very 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 much. I was so worried about disappointed you. I intend to keep the work. I plan to implement internationalization for
Oh,
translate the text for some language, and Daisy tell me that she intends to keep the work too, so she will create new tests and I will fix the bugs that she find. And very very thank you.
you
I'm
are.
very happy that you like it. I was so worried.
No, not at all. I think this is worth also presenting to the Peace Corps team. Maybe May you can set something up, maybe this week or next week, because this is worth just hopefully let's get all of the applications up and merged over, and then have a complete demo for them. But this is
Yeah, that's what I was
amazing.
thinking.
Yeah, this was amazing. You did an awesome job. Congratulations, Isabella.
Congratulations.
Thank you, May. Thank you, Rose.
You're welcome. Okay, so I'm gonna. Um, thank you so much for participating, and thank you for the work. And I'm glad that you and Daisy have decided to continue working on this important project. So thank you so much.
Okay, thank you. I love this experience. I love work with sisters. It's an amazing community. I love work with you too.
I loved it too. You were asked the right questions. You helped me ask the right questions as well. So collaborating with me and May, and just working with Daisy, that's so important because that's how it's done. It's how it's done. Thank you so much.
Thank you.